Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. This video will be short and not fun at all because I have something unpleasant to share with you. I'm sure you remember from different videos that I recently purchased a lot of gear for this shop on the auction, and one of them was this transmission jack. When I was doing my research, right, I went to the auction site and I saw it's a TransJack, right? So I even went online and was able to specify this model, and I saw that they still offer the parts. Why I was looking at it? Because in both spots, right here and right here, it's basically puking oil. Right, you can see how much oil is everywhere. I can try to pump it up for you just to show you, right, how much this leaks. But once again, this is a big company, right? I did my research and I didn't hesitate to bid on it because I was sure I can get a rebuild kit and fix it up. This is where I got my info from, right? It's a RTJ-1. And if you look on the page, there's definitely all the entire manual. And also you can see a bunch of warnings, how to use it, warranty policy. Ranger products are backed by over 40 years of manufacturing experience. Every product bearing the Ranger name is solely the best warranty you can find in the market. There is a technical support and so on. So I called a number, right, for those parts, and I went through two people finally to the parts department. I explained him that I have a big oil leaks from it, and in my opinion it's that RTJ/1 model, and he said, yeah, well, we need to specify if you have an old model or the new model. They look identical, but go and look on those knobs which are changing the angle of the pedestal which is on the top. Are they steel or are they plastic? So I ran back, right, with the phone, and I said, oh, mine are steel, not a plastic, definitely steel. And he said, well, sorry, no parts. I'm like, what? What did you say? You don't have the rebuild kit for it? He said, not only we don't have a rebuild kit, we don't carry any parts for it. Good luck. So as you can imagine, I'm extremely disappointed. I tried to do my research, and I failed anyway because the little detail, right? I didn't go all the way before I purchased it, and I made assumption if the thing exists on their web that I can buy the parts for it. Why am I making this video? Why am I doing this? I want you not to make the same mistake in the case you are trying to save money and not buy the brand new one, which costs approximately $600, right? Somebody will offer you locally on the Craigslist or whatever, you will try to buy it on eBay. Be careful and call that department and make absolutely sure that you can buy the parts to fix that oil leak or whatever it needs. Thank you for watching. And make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way. You saw that brake light. I just got adapters for it. And hopefully the next video will be about how to resurface brake rotors. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.